Today I show you an unboxing of Seagate Exos 22TB times 2 hard drives of 22TB that are white label drives, meaning recertified, refurbished I think by the manufacturer. White label Seagate white label Seagate Exos X22 22TB hard drives, 2 drives here, and these are refurbished or white labels. Basically they are used but recertified, refurbished by the manufacturer, hopefully not by the seller. I got them from datablocks.dev. There's a website, someone has a website in Netherlands selling these things, and I paid for them the full price, €279 for each plus the shipping. Shipping was not very expensive and pretty fast for here how it is. But let's see if these are stones, let's see if these are bricks or hard drives, or if they are hard drives, if they work at all, or if they're damaged in any way. Let's see what's inside. Before that, I'll have a bit of my coffee. Let's see. Okay, now I'm ready. So the box, I don't know, it has one corner, it's a bit squashed, one corner bit soft, but nothing serious. The box looks really good, so I might have to blur out some parts. I like that he put I really like that they put a label like this on multiple sides, so it's 2 labels, one on the back, one on the front. Netherlands Post. I think it's fine. I don't think there are any stones here or any. I mean, it seems like a legit website. He's basically selling returned hard drives from companies, servers, data centers, or even hard drives that had problems and they were refurbished by Seagate. I don't know if that's good, but let's see. Oh, and the box is really, it's a new box, so it's not really used, I think. Maybe this box was with the hard drives inside, so I think that's how he, I don't know. Okay, sellers, Amazon, look here really closely. Amazon, look here really closely. This is some interesting things for you to learn. In general, sellers sending hard drives, this is how you're supposed to send the hard drive. It has a paper on the lower side and then on top, and then all this padding, all this. Oh, so there is no other paper inside. I got the invoice online as soon as the package was sent, so there's no point really to have another copy in the box, but it would have been helpful if there was a copy of the invoice in the box. I don't know, maybe it's okay. So this is the package. Looks okay so far. The padding, even on the sides there is a space. Maybe the sides were not 100% super protected, but actually you have this extra padding on the sides a little bit from how it's folded. Okay, let's open up this. Let's open up. It's all bubble wrap here, and I think, don't know, the hard drives are directly here. There should have been some kind of a padding between them, or so there is one layer of bubbles, so there is one drive, and then the other one is folded backwards. Okay. Well, this one has a few dents on it. So they are. Has a little bit extra padding. Let's see this one. Okay, so as you can see, it really shows that it has a bit of wear, and both drives have a bit of wear on them, scratches and marks, like they were used. I mean, it wouldn't be bad if they were actually used in a server and then replaced, because they're 22 terabytes, so they couldn't have been used for too long. And if they are recertified, then the information about the smart information would be zero, all completely zero. It's interesting how this is very protected here. Hope the SATA port is okay. These drives, this is not a sponsored video. I bought these drives with my own money, 279 for each one of these, plus the shipping about, I don't know, 10-15 euro, I'll have to check. But I will put on the screen the calculation of how much euro per terabyte it is. But it's 22 terabyte, and these are usually very expensive if they are new. And these are Seagate See, it has scratch marks on it here, like it was in a server case or something. So it was used. A bit of a dent here. Oh, wow. This is really okay. These are Seagate Exos drives that Seagate refurbished, but they were not good enough to put their name on it. They wouldn't put the name on it, and I can see there is a dent here. It looks a bit strange. But they are willing to sell them as off spec. So you might find these in enterprise storage arrays, storage devices. I don't really work with that. So I wouldn't know if this is really what you would find. But OS means, I believe, off spec, 22 terabyte. That's the serial number of the hard drive and different details. The same specifications. Same specifications as any other hard drive. It's not really, but these are meant to be used in servers, but also on a home computer. It is SATA, it's not SAS. And everything here, the board looks okay. It's interesting how the board is made. It has much less PCB here. It's very little there. That's pretty good actually. And how you know your drive is certified? You will see this from the first. You have this. This is how you tell on the side. This one looks a bit more dented. This one looks a bit more dented, like this cup here. It's really like, oh wow, like a complete dent here. That's interesting. Totally dented there, but it is sealed, closed. So I don't know, maybe, I don't know if this was a good idea to buy this, but I don't really care about a dent in the case. Hopefully this dent was not done after the, you know, if it was done, I don't know, maybe it did, maybe they dropped it. I think if this dent was done after it was put in the bag, you could see it, kind of, and I think I can see something here. So this guy, he really dropped it. I'll try to open up one of these and see how it looks like. I'll start with the dented one. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, on this side, not much trouble. The cables, they look okay. It looks a bit like it was pressed. A few dents there. A few dents on this one. But nothing major, I think. SATA ports. SATA port looks okay. Now this case, I mean, the case has dents on it and everything here, but it's actually sealed closed. And I think, I don't know if, because I never bought a Seagate Exos, these are server hard drives, so I never had a drive like that, but I don't know if they normally look like this. This looks like a welding. Maybe this is done after, so I have no idea. But the most important thing will be if it works and for how long it works, because it has no warranty from Seagate. This doesn't have warranty from Seagate. I think there's just a screw under here or something. Maybe it's a helium port to expand, I have no idea. Anyway, it looks a bit dented. So these are the specifications, 22 terabyte, serial number, part number, and it used to say SATA AF here, but I guess they changed it. So you can tell that this was inserted in some place. has marks of sliding marks, so that's good, it was used, I guess. And then recertified. So how you know it's recertified? You will see it on the back of the drive here. It's written there. OS Recertified, and then the serial number. You have the Recertified mark, which is etched on the drive, and the serial number, and then the sticker with the serial number. I'll try them. I don't know if this is gonna work. I think they will be fine, but there are risks to buying this. But they are cheaper than the usual price for the Seagate Exos 22TB X22. So that's the risk. Yeah, I have this. I will give them a try in the computer. I will install them in the computer and give them a try and see how they work. I will also do a few tests to do. I'll finish my coffee first. I will install them in the computer and do a few extended tests to make sure that the drive is okay. Probably everything in the smart information will be 0, even though these are recertified, so they are used, returned. Normally these hard drives will be destroyed, because if it's coming from a server, then for data protection they usually destroy the drives, and this is a great way. This is a great way to keep the drives from going into the hard drive mincer or whatever, how they destroy them, and reuse them, give them another life, especially that they are recertified by the manufacturer and not from the seller, so it should be better than just a used drive. I don't know, we'll see about this. Yeah, we'll see. I'll see how it goes. After I install them, I will put a video and let you know how it works. Thanks for watching.